time and work. I said you know that number of men is directly proportional to work. If the more men will be there, more work will be there. Less men will be there, less work. In the case when the D and H is constant, when the number of days and number of hours is constant, क्योंकि आपके लिए अब कांस्टेंट है, आज के दिन के बाद क्या है, कितने दिन है, 6-7 दिन है, that is a constant one, and 24 hours we have every day. तो कुछ लोग every day 4 hours काम करते हैं, तो 4 hours. तो number of men will be directly proportional to number of work when the days and hours are constant. यदि days बढ़ा दोगे तो कम men से भी ज़्यादा work हो सकता है, but therefore I am saying when the days and hours per day is constant. Or number of days is directly proportional to work, means more days more work, less days less work when there is a main and hours per day is constant. So the day is directly proportional to what is work, and thereafter I said that hours per day is directly proportional to work. Hours per day is directly proportional to work. अब आप एक ही बंदे हो और आपके पास 6 दिन है, 7 दिन है, मैंने यहाँ बताया था ना, understood it? And now only you can increase your work. If you are working 10 hours a day, तो 12 hours करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Number of work will increase. Or if you do the less number of hours, it means your work will be less. So it means they are directly proportional. Or that therefore we can say that MDH is directly proportional to MDH masala is directly proportional to work. Understood it? MDH masala is directly proportional to work. जितना मसाला खाओगे एनर्जेटिक उतना ही हो जाओगे. So MDH is directly proportional to, and आपने कभी देखा होगा PB is directly proportional to K. So किसी के लिए if I say that P is inversely proportional to volume, P is directly proportional to temperature. Boyle's law, Charles' law must be knowing. Yes or not? And then I said that जब डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है तो आप क्या करते हैं, यू टेकन अ कांस्टेंट, यू टेकन अ व्हाट, कांस्टेंट. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट इट बिकम्स, MDH अपॉन W becomes what? Constant. MDH upon W becomes, yes tell me, constant. MDH upon W become, yes tell me, constant. If we have seen like आप लोगों ने देखा होगा PB become equals to constant, can I say that P1 D1 equals to P2 V2 equals to P3 V3, मतलब आपस में ये सारे क्या हैं, इक्वल है, कांस्टेंट का मतलब. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी आर एबल टू गेट एन अ फार्मूला. आई सेड दैट P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. So it will give us in a formula. And what the formula it will give us? M1 DH1 M1 D1 H1 upon W1 equals to M2 D2 H2 upon W2. Clear? So what the formula you have got? M1 D1 H1 upon W1 M2 D2 H2 upon W2. If the work is same, यदि work same हो, means I said that you have to do the same work as the earlier one has done, then work is same, it means it will cancel. Then formula will come M1 D1 H1 equals to M2 D2 H2. M1 D1 H1 बंद करो.